Assalamu alaikum in Abadgar program. Mr. Gulam Sarwar Rahu. It is TJ83 variety. It is late sowing variety of wheat and Research Institute succulent based crop and high yielding. It is Mehran 89. Mehran 89 is early sowing variety and best varieties of wheat. Anmol 91, it is late varieties. Anmol 91, it is late variety and best variety of yield. It is Abadgar 93, early variety. It is early sowing. Abadgar 39, best variety for giving yield. Mumal 02, it is best variety but enlarged and get lodging. Best variety high yielding. Mumal 02, it is high yielding. Imdad 05, Imdad 05, high yielding varieties and it is best high yielding varieties, best tillers. It is TD1, late early twist sowing. TD1 wheat variety, best sowing, early and late twist. SKD1, it late variety, high yielding. Benazir 13, it is Benazir 13, best varieties and best flour for eating. It is best variety and high yielding. Hammal 13 varieties. The Hammal 13 varieties, it is best varieties for high yielding wheat. Sindhu 16, best variety in the high yielding data and wheat, best wheat varieties. Candidate lines TJ2016, best varieties in upcoming lines. Candidate lines SKD2, best varieties and high yielding giving in wheat crop. This candidate line IV2, best varieties and giving high yield in wheat. Best and high yielding wheat varieties HT25 upcoming lines. This is not released. All the best varieties of wheat in Wheat Research Institute succulent. Thank you. Okay my dear, subscribe my channel.